Do you know how much carbon dioxide is produced in the production of one iPhone? 95 kilograms. That's like driving 1,000 kilometers. That's a lot. But in the last 7 years, over 33.2 million units of iPhone have been sold. The amount of carbon dioxide emitted from all that is equivalent to driving to the moon 82,000 times. Now that's a problem. That's a big problem. So, how do we fix that? Well, let's take a step back. Now the iPhone came into two separate components, the phone itself and the packaging. The phone is already pretty high in efficiency, so let's not focus on that, and instead, look at the packaging box. This box came into three separate parts, the lid, a set of manuals, and of course the base. Let's start at the top, namely the lid. This lid has 5 sides, and the main function of it is to provide protection to the phone along with the base, of course. But see, the problem is, of these 5 sides, 4 are used mainly to support the 5th side, the roof, the only one that provides the function, as the protection on the sides are already sufficient. So why not just remove all the supporting side and instead attach the lid right onto the base, saving a lot of materials. This new lid would swing open and close, much like a door, while retaining optimal protection required. Furthermore, why not remove all the manuals and instead utilize all the blank faces on the box? This would allow a reduction of height by up to 3 millimeters, and thus the new box design would contain the instruction right on the box, is shorter, and it's a lot easier to open and close. Now, what would this do? Well, the reduction of material seems minimal per unit, but with the recent growth of the smartphone market, a lot more iPhone will definitely be produced, and with it, a lot more carbon dioxide emission. So just by reducing the material required, and thus use less to do more, the benefit would no doubt be large, even if at the same time there are many barriers to overcome. The first and the main barrier is definitely the cost, as the change of production facility will be required. Furthermore, some customers may not like the new design, which is the second barrier. This may lead to a drop in market share, but to counteract, the new design could use a new and greener market scheme to draw in new customers. Not to mention using less material, meaning less waste going to landfill at the end of life. A reduction in cost and logistics is definitely possible as well. This is mainly because the new design is a lot smaller in size, thus more units could be shipped at the same time. In the end though, even if the barriers can definitely not be overlooked, in the long run, the benefit would outweigh them significantly, resulting in a profit for both Apple and definitely for the world. Thank you for listening.